Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. In chapter number 2, today we are going to learn about division of fraction. Learn means already you are knowing how to do the division of fraction. So I think so all of these things are just the revision what you had done till class 6. So division करना है, division में आपको पता है whenever division is being there, the division sign changes into multiplication. So 12 विल रिमेन एज इट इज़. हमेशा जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे होगा वो कभी भी चेंज नहीं होगा. चेंज जो आएगा दैट विल बी ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड. सो 3/4 उसका उल्टा हो जाएगा, दैट विल बी 4/3. ओके, ऑलवेज कीप दैट थिंग इन माइंड. द फर्स्ट वन 3/4 विल बिकम 4/3 मीन्स उसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा, उसका उल्टा हो जाएगा. नाउ 3 1s are and 3 4s are and 4 4s are is 16. So 16 is our answer. Okay, same way second one 14 divided by 5/6. So division will change into multiplication. 5/6 will become 6/5. Now we cannot cancel anything. Okay, so 14 into 6/5, so we cannot cancel anything, so just we have to multiply. So 14 6 is 80. 4/5, convert it into mixed fraction. So 16 5s is 80 plus 4 is 84. Third one 8 into 3/7. Again here we cannot cancel anything, so 8 3s are 24/7. So 7 3s is 21 plus 3 is 24. So 3/7 will be the answer. So out of 6 3 I had done, remaining you have to do it by yourself. Question number 2. First one is 3/7. Second is 5/8. Third is 9/7. Sixth is 1/8. Okay, so now in question number 2 it is being given that find the reciprocal of each of the following. Classify the reciprocal in proper fraction, improper fraction and whole number. Reciprocal means students उसका उल्टा करना है, जो हमने यहाँ पे किया ना, the same thing we have to do it here. So 3/7 will become 7/3. Reciprocal means उसका उल्टा कर देना है. अब उल्टा करने के बाद प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन आता है, इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन आता है या होल नंबर आता है, दैट वी हैव टू राइट डाउन. नाउ एज द न्यूमरेटर इज ग्रेटर हियर, सो इट इज इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. ओके, आप अगर बाजू में भी लिख रहे हो उसका आंसर देन इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, देन ऑल्सो इट विल गो, नो प्रॉब्लम. नाउ 5/8 विल बिकम 8/5. So again the denominator is smaller and numerator is greater, so it is improper fraction. Third one 9/7 will become 7/9, where denominator is greater, so it is proper fraction. Fourth, fifth you have to do it by yourself. Now sixth one it's 1/8. Now 1/8 will become 8/1. 8/1 means it is 8 only. नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में हम कभी भी 1 नहीं लिख सकते, नहीं लिखते हैं. So it is which type of number? It is a whole number. Okay, so this is what you have to do it. Reciprocal means उसका उल्टा कर देना, then you have to see whether it is proper, improper or a whole number. According to that you have to write down. Now question number 3, there also we have to find out. Question number 1 में क्या था, पहले whole number दिया था, फिर fraction दिया था. Here fraction is given and this side the whole number is being given, no problem. 7 upon 3 divided by 2, so 7 upon 3 will remain as it is. Division will change into multiplication. 2 means it will become, देखो मेन यहाँ पे कैसे 8 upon 1 means we had written 8, it means नीचे 1 है but we normally don't used to write it. So 2 अकेला है, उसके नीचे क्या है मीन्स 1 है, तब उसका रेसिप्रोकल आप जब उल्टा करोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, इट विल बी 1 upon 2. Okay, when any whole number is being given, उसका जब आप उल्टा करोगे so it will be always 1 upon that whole number. So here it is 2, so it will become 1 upon 2. Here it is 5, so it will become 1 upon 5. Here it is 3, so it will become 1 upon 3. Okay, now here we cannot cancel anything, so simple, 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are is 6. We can convert it into mixed fraction. 6 ones are 6 plus 1, 7. Simple. 4 upon 9 as it is into 5 will become 1 upon 5. रेसिप्रोकल में भी कभी आपको पूछेंगे रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 5, तो रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 5 विल बी 1 upon 5. जैसे 1 upon 8 का रेसिप्रोकल 8 हो गया, वैसे 8 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या हो जाएगा, 1 upon 8. सो दिस आर द बेसिक थिंग्स विच यू हैव टू keep it in mind. Now it will be 4 ones are 4 and 9 fives are is 45. It is proper fraction, that's why we cannot convert it into mixed fraction. Now here mixed fraction is being given, third one you have to do it by yourself, third, fifth and sixth. So mixed fraction is being given, we will convert it into improper fraction. 4 3 is 12 plus 1, 13 upon 3. Division will change into multiplication. 1 upon 3 means again we cannot cancel anything, so 13 ones are 13 and 3 threes are is 9. As it is improper fraction, we can convert it into mixed fraction. 9 ones are 9 and 9 plus 4 is 13. So that was your question number 3. Now question number 4. In that again both the side fraction is being given, like 2 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 2. No problem. 2 upon 5 will remain as it is, into 1 upon 2 will become 2. So now here we cannot cancel anything, numerator denominator or in cross we cannot cancel, so 2 twos are 8, 4 upon 5. Second one, 4 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 3. So 4 upon 9 as it is, division will change into multiplication. 2 upon 3 will become 3 upon 2. Now we can cancel, 2 ones are and 2 twos are, 3 ones are and 3 threes are. So the answer comes to 2 ones are 2 and 3 ones are 3. Okay, where you can cancel, you have to cancel it. Fourth one I am doing now, 2 1 upon 3 divided by 3 upon 5. So we'll convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 3 is 6 plus 1, 7 upon 3 into 3 upon 5 will become 5 upon 3. We cannot cancel anything here, so 7 5s are is 35 and 3 3s are is 9. So 3 9s are is 27 plus 8 is 35. Then sixth one, 2 upon 5 divided by 1 1 upon 2. See, just they are changing the sides. पहले जब हमने किया तब whole number this side fraction, then on the left side fraction, right side whole number. Here now both the side fraction, then one mixed fraction and another fraction. Now here fraction and this side mixed fraction, so no problem, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता उससे. Division will change into multiplication. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3 upon, sorry, keep the division sign as it is because we have to convert it. So 3 upon 2, now we'll change it, 2 upon 5 into 2 upon 3. क्योंकि इस साइड है, हमें उसको उल्टा भी करना पड़ेगा. दैट्स वाई फर्स्ट कन्वर्ट मिक्स फ्रैक्शन इनटू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. वी कैनॉट कैंसिल एनीथिंग, सो 2 2s are is 4 and 5 3s are is 15. So rest of the questions you have to do it by yourself. This was your exercise 2.4 regarding division of fraction. From the next video we'll start with the second part of the chapter, that will be decimal. So remaining sum of question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4, you have to do it in the homework. See you in the next video with another chapter, decimal. So till then, thank you and take care.